am Dr. Theresa Styles from East Styles Consulting, and let's talk about those soft skills that we're always hearing about. So, when it comes to succeeding in the workplace, a college degree isn't necessarily enough, nor are years of experience on the job. So, why are soft skills here? Why do soft skills matter? Well, believe it or not, having great soft skills can be a huge game changer as your learners, your employees go through their career or go through their learning. So, in fact, the skills that your employees, your students learn are not just about being a better employee, a better learner, but an exceptional human being. And this goes to personal character, right? It goes into the character of a person. So, with that in mind, I am an educator, a trainer, a facilitator at heart, and it's what I do. I love, I eat, I breathe, I sleep, I drink anything when it comes to the adult learner, when it comes to making sure that those learners, whether they're in academia or whether they're in the workforce, are getting the information that they need to be productive, right? So I have over 18 years of experience in organizational and workforce development. I have incorporated my expertise in the field grounded on educational psychology and research, and actually mapping the theories of human development to understanding the individual learner, their learning, their character, which is so vital when it comes to training and development. So, and this is actually, I've worked in corporate, in nonprofit, in government, anything in relation to learning and getting the workforce what they need as far as implementation of software or implementation of policies. So, yes, this is a little bit about me and just a little more. I do have my PhD in education, specialized in professional studies and education, a postmaster's certificate in college teaching, my MBA with a concentration in human resource management, and a Bachelor of Science in business operations. But with all of that information, why are we here, right? Why am I coming to you? And that's what we're talking about. So, in a 2016 report, May the 1st, 2016 report titled Leveling Up, How to Win the Skills Economy, documented on Fast Company website, the report reveals that critical thinking, problem solving, communication skills, leadership, ownership, and teamwork were missing in the new crop of workers. So, as Daniel Schwabel, Research Director of Future Workplace, iterates, graduates need strong communication and problem solving skills if they want to interview well and succeed in the workplace. Because effective writing, speaking, and critical thinking enables you to accomplish business goals and get ahead. So, that's what it seems is lacking. And that's what we need to make sure that our target audience, our participants are getting what they need to move ahead along on their journey. So technical skills alone are not enough to be truly effective. An individual needs to be able to listen. They need to be able to have effective communication skills and able to think creatively. So all careers require at least some sort of skills, guys, to make the hard skills valuable. And it's important for individuals to have both types of skills to succeed in the workplace. And it's important to understand what employers are looking for. So in a recent report by ICIMS, Hiring Insights found that 94% of recruiting professionals believe an employee with stronger soft skills has a better chance of being promoted to a leadership position than an employee with more years of experience but weaker soft skills. And that's according to the Women's Forum August the 18th, 2017 edition. So, when individuals have lots of technical skills, but an absence of soft skills, they can only go so far. So, yes, those technical skills will get their foot in the door. However, Their people skills, their emotional intelligence is what opens more doors or even job advancement. And sooner they develop these skills, the more employable they will become. So we have work to do. And how do we do this? How do we make sure that we give them what they need? So Daniel Goleman, here's a quote from him. It says, emotional intelligence skills are synergistic with cognitive ones. Top performers have both. The more complex the job, the more emotional intelligence matters. So truthfully, soft skills have little to do with knowledge or expertise. We know that, right? But are closely linked with the person's character. So the ability to communicate efficiently and effectively creates a collaborative and healthy work environment within any organization. So this is why I am here sharing with you. So I deliver soft skills, whether it's instructional-led training, virtual instructional-led training workshops, and or web-based training, customized web-based training courses as complements to your already proven program. So for illustration example, based on my experiences of working with nonprofit and government agencies, there are state required soft skill topics that must be taught in, for example, adult education. So with that, here are just a few of the courses that I offer in ILT, VILT, or customized web-based training, from communications to interpersonal, self-awareness, stress management, problem solving. And that's just a few that I have here, but I offer array of classes, a variety of classes, courses, and create web-based training for those courses. So the soft skills training, although they're needed and of course they're not necessarily tangible, they are intangible but important qualities that are essential for success. And when we recognize that, it makes it easier to do what we need to do for our participants. So the reality is soft skills will become increasingly important as jobs become more automated. So that's why our services are here. And as a human resource and organizational development consultant with over 18 years of experience in technology solutions, training, and learning and development, preparing tomorrow's talent means having your employees, having your learners, which is the workforce, to have not only the technical skills, however, the soft skills to succeed in the workplace. So here I am. I am only a phone call away. There's my information, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. Have a great day.